Anglesey Column Trust is a operation set up to reopen and repair the column, which is up there behind me somewhere. We have been looking to raise money to reopen it and develop the site. We've got a 4-acre site here, which we will have on it a cafe and information centre. We were advised by the Wales Cooperative and we were looking for information and help on fundraising and governance. And they suggested we came to WCVA, and they had the Catalydd Cymru programme, which was very helpful for us. They came along and did a health check on the trustees and on the trust, and from that we were able to look at governance and in fact on fundraising, which was a main part obviously. And they very clearly were able to say how we got the best return on our investment, so that we looked at the time spent on any particular area of fundraising to make sure that we included all our volunteer time as the trustees were doing, to include all our volunteer time so that we costed it relative to the amount we were going to get back from it. I found it very comforting. I think that the people who were with me, there were two or three others with me from time to time, and they too found that the mentor was gently pushing us to not out of our comfort zone, but close to our edges of our comfort zone, so that we actually learnt the most and got the best experience from it. I think we all gained confidence from it. I think that was a main part about it, because there are so many different ways to approach this subject, and it was good to be able to be channelled in a particular area and show the reasons why we were doing it in that way. I thought that was very good. I think the proof of the pudding will be in the eating, as we are just about to launch a community fundraising programme. We're looking to start some people to help us with our social media side, because that's an important part of our fundraising approach to the community, and it's one which I'm not terribly conversant with, and therefore need help in that way. And it was good to be seen, for us to see how we got that forward in that way. I just think it was so easy. I found them so easy to work with. They were very ready to listen to what we want, and that was important, to listen to what we wanted from it, and therefore we were very satisfied at the end with all that we got involved with.